In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2020 MCQs, that is let B and C are elements in a group G and E is identity element of G if B power 5 is equal to C power 3 is equal to E. Then inverse of BC B square is, since BC B square inverse is equal to B inverse 2 C inverse B inverse, and let's find the values from the relation that is B power 5 is equal to C power 5 is equal to E. So first we find B inverse. So B power 5 is equal to identity, multiplying B inverse on both sides. So B power 5 minus 1 is equal to B power 4 equal to B inverse. So B inverse is equal to B power 4. Next find B inverse square. So condition that is B5 is equal to E. So multiplying B power minus 2 on both sides. So B power 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So B inverse 2 is equal to B power 3. Also we can obtain C power 3 is equal to identity, that is so we find C inverse, multiplying C inverse on both sides. So C power 3 minus 1 is equal to C power 2. So C inverse is equal to C power 2. So we can get BC B square whole inverse is equal to B inverse 2 C inverse B inverse is equal to value of B inverse 2 is equal to B3, C inverse is equal to C square, B inverse is equal to B power 4. So option C is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.